Ladies and gentlemen, we're now here in the gas station. Naubos ang gasolina. May tama yung driver namin, mga kaibigan. May tama po. Tama. Kapaligiran. Pangalan po dito ng gasoline station ang hindi mo mababasa sapagkat sulat nila. Ayun. Ayun. Yung ang pag-unlad at malayolay. 1 minute. Binulang ko ng sisiyo. Sisiyo.
My goodness. Sabi pala dito.
Teka lang yan, pare. Up! May nakita po akong saging, mga kapuso. Ayun, no? Saging. Nakinisip naman. Napay, apoy. Sa akin, sana ay ulan. Upang sa inat. How much? How many baht? Huh?
20 baht.
Huh? How many baht? 20 baht. Oh. 20 baht. 20 baht. Water, water? Water, water? This water? This how much? How many baht? 20. Okay. This one? How much? Water? Water, water.
รอบนี้ใช่ป่ะ
How much? How many baht?
อันนี้10 บาท นี่คนละ20
20. Two?
บาท
20 also, ah?
เมื่อไรอ่ะ
10. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye muna. Hirap bumili na may hawak na camera.